Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the use of Lombok framework in Spring Boot. So I've created a sample application over here which has a Hello World program and which has a DTO in which you can set your name, your experience and your skills for a particular company. So let me start this application. So my server is hosted on 999. So I've created a Swagger API and I'm going to discuss about Swagger API in a separate video series. So here's my post call, which is going to set my name, my experience and my skills into a DTO. So let's say try it out. My experience is 3 years. My name is Samarth and my skills are Java. So as a return response, it has returned me the object that I've just saved. That is my name, my experience and my skills. So when we don't use Lombok framework, we are using these getters and setters, right? So in order to avoid these getters and setters, we can use Lombok framework. So here we had made our DTO and set all the things and then returned it. So let me show you how we can use Lombok to automatically generate these getters and setters. So there is one dependency for Lombok. This is the dependency. You have to inject this dependency into your POM file. So here we go. Alright, so I've injected it and I've used DevTools, so my server is automatically restarting. I don't need to manually stop it and then run it again. Now I come here, I don't want these, so I want these to be auto generated, so I can write here getter and setter. It's more advisable to use @data rather than getter and setter, that is this one, because it's combination of 5 annotations. It's combination of getter, setter, required args constructor, toString, equals and hash code. But for the sake of the simple video, I'm just going to use getter setter. Now I can remove these getters and setters since we have them generated in the background. So I get rid of this and my server is automatically restarting down. I go to my Swagger, I refresh this page. It's not necessary to refresh, but still I refresh it. Try it out. The experience again, I can say 5 years, name is Samarth and my skills are I'm a full stack Java developer. I execute and still we are getting the same response. So this is one way of doing it, but with help of Lombok we can even do it in much better way. We don't even need to create getters and setters and then do it in this way. We can use builder design pattern. So for just enabling the builder design pattern, we can write here @builder, but when we use builder we have to also use @data because we require all the constructors. So we write @data and we also requires no args constructor, since @data has all args constructor and you require then no args constructor. So what is it saying here? Multiple markers. So let me write all args constructor. So yeah, it's gone. So we have all our constructors and our data defined. Now let me demonstrate how to use builder design pattern. So when I'm using builder, I can do all of these in just one line. I don't even need to do this. So let's get rid of this and I write this over here. I write dot builder dot, I want to set my name, so I'll say name. So it will take the path variable and set it here. Then I want to set experience, I'll say experience, it will take there and set it there. So once we have set the experience, now we have to set the skills. So I'll say skills, and it will set the skills. And after this, in order to return the object of my introduction DTO, I'll have to say build, and just end this statement by writing a semicolon here. So now it's returning me the object. Now let's see whether this works. So my server is restarting. So it started. Now I'll just refresh my Swagger. I'll say try it out. I'll write down my experience as 3 years again, and my name here, and my skills. I'm a full stack Java developer. So see, it's working. So the entire thing that we had done prior in 5 lines is now done in 1 line with help of builder pattern, and the boilerplate of the builder pattern is avoided with help of Lombok framework. So the Lombok is a really helpful framework. Okay everyone, thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe, and I'll be uploading more interesting videos shortly. Thank you.